Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name Yuri. I live America only 2 years. I have one problem. This is my bad speak English. I'm sorry. I have big experience for repair car. I like repair car. This is not my car. This is car my friend. My friend tell me need change alternator. Have problem alternator. I don't know what problem. I'm today take this car. Start no problem. No lighting for dashboard. I don't know. Need first time need make diagnostic. Diagnostic tell me what problem. This car Mazda 6 2012 years. I connect my diagnostic launch. This problem 13.5 volts. Sorry, this diagnostic Russian language. Low voltage system. Okay. This is 13.3. I'm check voltage for battery. 13.3. This engine same Ford Fusion, Ford Escape 2000.5. Okay. Need stop engine. Delete. Need delete everything error. Take out alternator. I'm show you what take out alternator. This easy job. Okay guys, I know problem. This problem alternator. First time need take out minus for battery. Cable minus need take out. Next job, take out alternator. No disconnect battery, no touch alternator. These parts for next video, my Ford F-150. Next video, I make repair suspension. I show you. Okay, battery disconnect. Look, I can disconnect alternator. I need my lighting. Where my lighting? Here. Okay. Show. Alternator here. This need take out cable, take out this cover. Cover maybe 3 bolts. No, I'm look only 3 bolts. 2 nuts, 1 bolt. Okay. First time make this job for this car. First time make this Mazda. Okay. Cover. Take out this cover. Only 2 bolts. Bolts here, bolts here. 2 bolts, take out cover. And look, alternator. Need take out alternator belt. Next, disconnect 2 cables. And 2 cables disconnect. Alternator belt disconnect. Okay. This I no have a room for adjust belt. Need to take out tires, take out wheels. I need to take out belt. No room. Opa. Okay. Give me a shot. I have room. This is full. I need this. I have a small room. It's okay. Okay, I need to take out belt. Okay guys, I'm disconnect cable. I need to take out only 3 bolts. I install wheel, carb down. Finish 1 bolt. Finish 1 bolt. Alternator take out. Small car, small room. Yes. Okay. Alternator, come here. Come here, please. Okay. Oh, listen. This is bearing fucked up. Okay. Owner tell me problem not bearing, problem low voltage. It's okay. Oh, this Ford Fumoko. Okay, I need ask owner. Maybe I'm order Amazon, maybe I'm go O'Reilly, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, I don't know. This is different price. Amazon little bit cheap. Need ask owner. Owner tell me buy AutoZone. Okay, no problem. I'm buy AutoZone. Okay guys, I'm come back. I'm buy new alternator. This old alternator I'm give core. This what sticker. Stop. Okay. This brand. Price this alternator $216.99. I buy this alternator store Advanced Auto Parts. Okay, need install. Okay guys, I install new alternator. Look here. Install easy. 3 bolts, 3 big bolts, 2 small bolts. This take cover. 2 cables. 1 cables connect nut. 1 cables install connector. Easy. Need install belt. Belt install. I need to say my wife help me. Okay. Install. Connect battery. Check. Guys, I'm today drive this car. I'm listen. Bearing have problem. And check. Look. This is bearing fucked up. This Mazda have 130,000 mileage. This small mileage. This 12 years this car. 1 owner. Small mileage. Too much problem. Okay. Bearing today no touch. I make next video for bearing. Replacement bearing. Maybe replacement brakes. I'm call owner tell me brakes no good. Push brakes. Steering wheel vibration is no good. Maybe next video make bearing. Replacement brakes. Okay, I need to install alternator belt. My wife operator help me. Okay guys, I'm install alternator, connect battery. Battery have 22 volts. Need to check. Same. 13.5. I don't know. Okay, I need connect diagnostic. Need check ECM. How many volts look ECM. Okay, I connect diagnostic. Okay guys. This 13.58, 59. computer show me 1366, 1370. It's okay. It's voltage okay. No error. Only one error. It's ABS system. It's okay. It's need drive. Drive. ABS system take out. No more error. No. Error. Error. I'm sorry. No error. Very good. Only one. This ABS. ABS take out and drive. ABS take out. It's okay. Okay, guys. This ready to go? No, not to go. Next video I make change everything brakes. 4 brakes change brake pads, change rotor pads, brake rotor. Right side, back right side, change bearing. This next video. Please subscribe my channel. Text me comment. I am look your comments. I'm text you. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye.